Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Sahira. In this video, we are going to see the complete and clear explanation of Bowley's coefficient of skewness. If you watch this video till end and listen to me carefully, then definitely you will be perfect with the concept of Bowley's coefficient of skewness. Listen to me carefully and watch the video till end. Whatever the question they may ask you in the examination, you will be able to do the solution and easily you can get full marks. Okay, so watch the video till end, and if you are new to our channel Learn with Sahira, subscribe it for more videos and don't forget to share this video with your friends too. And if you want the notes of all the subjects and languages whatever you are having in your group, I will be giving you the notes of all the subjects and languages important questions which are easy, simple and clear to understand. Even the slow learners can get perfect with the subject, they can also score full marks. So if you want the notes, text me on my Instagram ID is also Learn with Sahira. Text me there, I will be giving you the access for all the subjects notes. Okay, but note payment is must. I repeat, payment is must. Okay, so keeping this aside, let us go with our explanation of Bowley's coefficient of skewness. So in your examination there will be a question like this. Okay, so they will be asking you to calculate Bowley's coefficient of skewness, or they will be asking you Bowley's coefficient, or they will be asking you to calculate measures of skewness. Whatever they ask you, you have to do the same procedure or same solution whatever I'm showing you in this video. Okay, whatever they ask you, if they ask you just skewness, if they ask you Bowley's coefficient of skewness, if they ask you Bowley's coefficient, if they ask you measures of skewness, whatever they ask you, you have to do the same solution whatever I'm showing in this video. Okay, so before going into the solution, let us know what is the formula of Bowley's coefficient of skewness. The formula for Bowley's coefficient of skewness is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2MD. MD is nothing but median, divided by Q3 minus Q1. Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median by Q3 minus Q1. If you know this formula and if you know the calculation part, easily you can do the solution. Okay, so remember this formula. We will be finding Q3 first, then we will be finding Q1, then we will be finding median. After finding three of these, we can easily find Bowley's coefficient of skewness in this problem. So first we need to concentrate on finding Q3, then Q1, then median. If we find three of this, easily we can get this solution. Okay, so let us get started. See on the screen you are having marks and number of students. Okay, so you just mention like class interval, this is CI. Okay, so let us mention CI. You have to write fully, right? Write like class interval, you write class interval on whole. I'm just writing short form. Okay, class interval, how much it is? It is 2 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. So this is the class interval. We are having F. If they give CI and F in the question, that is perfectly okay. If not, you have to assume marks as CI and number of students as F. If they give you marks, then it is okay. In place of marks, they may be giving you some other thing. So whatever they might give you, you have to write whatever it is there in the question in the solution. Okay, number of students is nothing but F. Yes, so let us take F. F is 8, 10, 11, 4, 3. Okay, so we are done with class interval and F. After getting both of these from the question, we should find cumulative frequency. Okay, cumulative frequency is nothing but in our previous videos in the calculation of mean, median, mode, I have shown you how to calculate cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is nothing but the first number or the first frequency whatever it is there, you have to take it as same. Okay, first frequency you have to take it as same. Then what you have to do, you have to take a calculator and you have to add this cumulative frequency with the other frequency. You will be getting the next new cumulative frequency. Then you add this cumulative frequency with the next frequency, you will be getting the new cumulative frequency. So 10 plus 8 is 18. Okay, then you add 18 plus 11, how much it is? It is 18 plus 11, how much it is? It is 29, right? 29. Then 29 plus 4, 29 plus 4, Don't do the calculations on hand. If the calculations are really very simple also, you use the calculator, because a small mistake in the calculation will lead to wrong solution. Okay, 33 plus 3, how much it is? It is 36. Let us check again. Okay, whenever you are doing the calculations, you have to check again. Okay, 18 plus 11, 29 plus 4. Yes, done. So we are done with the cumulative frequency. Now we have to find n. Okay, draw a box like this. Okay, in your examination also, let us find n. N is nothing but the total of frequency, or we can also call it as sigma f. Sigma f also you can call, or you can call it as n. So how much the n is? When you calculate all these numbers, when you add all these numbers, you will be getting n. How much it is? 8 plus 10 plus 11 plus 4 plus 3. It is 36. So we are getting n as 36. Okay, so this is our n. Okay, after getting this, we need to calculate, or we need to find Q3, Q1 and median, as I said you. So first we will be going with Q3. For Q3, we will be finding for Q3. Okay, let us write like this. For Q3, you have to write it like this. Okay, clearly in your exam paper also. For Q3, after writing this, what you have to write? The position of Q3. How much the position of Q3? The formula of the position of Q3 is 3 into n by 4th term. Okay, so the formula of this is this, 3 into n by 4th term. So we got n, yes or no? We got n. How much is the n? N is 36. So you take 3 as it is. Then what you will be doing? 36 by 4th term. Yes or no? This is the formula ma. 3 into n by 4th term. Then what you will be taking? You will be taking 3 as it is. Then what is our n? N is our 36 by 4th term. Then what you will be getting? You just do the calculation. Take a calculator. 3 into 36 divided by 4. How much you got? You got 27. So here it is our 27th term. Okay, so this is our 27th term. So this 27th term we have to find in our cumulative frequency. If we have 27th term here, then we will be taking that class. But if we don't have 27, we have to take the next number or next highest number after 27th. Do we have 27 here? No, we don't have 27 here in this box or in this column. Then what we are going to see? We are going to see the next number after 27th. 18 will be less, 33 will be more. But 29 is after 27. So what we are going to take? This is our box, or this is our quartile. Okay, so here our class interval will be 30 to 40. After doing this much, we have to find this in the cumulative frequency. We didn't got, so we got 29. After 27 it is 29. Then we are going to take this box. Okay, then you should write quartile class is 20 to 30. Yes or no? 20 to 30? No. This here 29 is lying in the class interval of 20 to 30. If this used to be this number, cumulative frequency used to be 18, we used to take 10 to 20. If cumulative frequency used to be 33, we used to take 30 to 40. But here we got 29, right? So that is why we are taking 20 to 30. Okay, so quartile class is 20 to 30. Now let us see the formula of Q3. What is the formula of Q3? L plus 3n by 4 minus cumulative frequency by f multiply by I. So this is the formula. After finding the term, after finding the quartile class, we should take this formula. L is nothing but lower class. In both of these class interval, which is the lower class, means which is the smallest number, 30 or 20? 20 is the smallest number. So L will be 20. 3n by 4. 3n by 4 already we have found. 3n by 4, how much it was? It was 36. Yes or no? 3n by 4 was, 3n by 4 was our 27. Yes or no? Here we got 3n by 4. No, 3n by 4 is nothing but the position of Q3. The position of Q3, 3n by 4 is 27. So we need to take 27 here. Then cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency here we will not take this one. We will not take this one, 29. Above of this we are going to consider as cumulative frequency. Okay, for term we will be taking this cumulative frequency, but for here if we want the cumulative frequency here, what we are going to do, we are going to take this above one. Okay, ऊपर का लेना, एक ऊपर का ले लेना, cumulative frequency में 29 लेना, एक ऊपर का लेना. So here cumulative frequency will be our 18. Then F, what will be F? What will be F? We have F here, no? F is nothing but frequency. So we got this as term, no? So this 11 will be our frequency. I hope you got it. If you are having any confusion, you please watch the video again, okay? You go back and you watch the video again. 27th term was there, we took 29 and this is our quartile class. But here in this formula, if we want CF, we are going to take one above one. Frequency will be 11. So we need to substitute all the values. So as I said you, L, Q3 equals to L. L how much I said? It is 20 plus 3n by 4, it is 27 minus cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency how much it is? It is 18. 18 by F. F how much I said? F how much it is? It is 11 here. So we are going to take 11. Okay. Then multiply by I. I is nothing but how much class interval? Sorry, how much gap is there in between this class interval? 20 to 30, it is 10. So we are going to take 10. If it used to be like 0 to 5, only 5 class interval or 5 gap used to be there, we used to take 5. But here it is 10, that is why we are taking this 10. Now you just do the calculation. You take 20 plus 27 minus 18. 27 minus 18 how much it is? It is 27 minus 18, it is 9. Okay, so 9 by 11 multiply by 10. Okay, do the calculation now. 20 plus 9 divided by 11 into 10. How much you got? Yes, we got 26.36. So we are going to take this 26.36. This is our quartile 3. Okay, Q3. Okay, our Q3 is 26.36. So we found Q3. Now we will be finding our Q1. Okay, Q3 already we have completed. Now let us find Q1. For Q1, you have to write like this. For Q1, what we are going to do? Position of Q1 as we have done for the Q3, same. Okay, the position, or you can write, or you can directly write position. Position of Q1 formula is n by 4th term. The formula of Q1 is just n by 4th term. So how much is n? How much is n here? It is 36. So we are going to take 36. Okay, 36 by 4th term. You do this, 36 divided by 4, it is 9. So here we are getting 9th term. 9. Do we have 9th term in our cumulative frequency? Do we have 9? No. 8 will be less, 29 will be more. That is why we will be taking 18 as our term. So this is our box, or this is our quartile class. Okay, this is our quartile class. How much it is? In the same way how we have done for the Q3, we have to do the same thing, like quartile class is 10 to 20. Okay, our quartile class is 10 to 20. Now let us see the formula of Q1. Q1 formula is L plus n by 4 minus CF by F multiplied by 10. Okay, so this is the formula, L plus n by 4 minus cumulative frequency by f into 10. Now we will be substituting all the values into the formula. Let me do this here. Okay, how much is L? L in 10 to 20, which is the lower class, which is the less or small number. It is 10, right? So L will be 10. So we found n by 4, right? N by 4 was our, how much was n by 4? Yes, n by 4, how much it is? It is 9. So we will be taking 9 here. Okay, 9 minus cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, as I said you, in this cumulative frequency we are not going to take this one, we are going to take the above one, 8. So we will be taking cumulative frequency as 8. Okay, 8 by frequency. How much is the frequency in this 10 to 20 range? How much is the frequency? How much is the frequency in this 10 to 20 range? It is f. F is 10. Okay, so we are going to take f here. Okay, so here it is 10. Yes or no? Yes, we got 10 only, no? Yes, it is 10. So now multiply by I. I, how much it is? Gap 10. So we will be doing this calculation. 10 plus n 9 minus 8, it is 1 by 10. Multiply by 10. Do this calculation, how much you are getting, you say me in the comment section. 10 plus 1 divided by 10 into 10. How much it is? It is 11. You can see on the screen. It is 11. What you have to do? 10 plus 1 by 10 into 10. It is 11. So our Q1 is 11. Okay, we found Q3, we found Q1. Now we will be finding our median. You have to write in the same way. For median, same you have to write the position of MD, median. What is the formula? N by 2th term. This is the formula. Okay, now n by 2 we are going to find. N, how much it is? N is 36 by 2th term. Do the calculation. 36 by 2, 36 divided by 2, it is 18. So here we are having 18th term. Do we have 18 in our cumulative frequency? Just have a look if we have 18 in the cumulative frequency. Yes, we have 18. If 18 used to be not there, we used to take the greater number after the 18. But 18 is there, no, that is why here our median will also be this class only. Okay, 18. 18. In which range, in which class interval it lies? It lies between 10 to 20 only. So 18th term is there. That is why we are going to write like median class is in 10 to 20 class interval. Okay, so now median formula, let us see. What is the formula of median? L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency by f multiplied by I. Okay, so you just take all the numbers or all the values into this formula. L, how much it is? Lowest frequency, it is 10, plus n by 2, it is 18, minus cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, the above one will be taking above, as same it is 8. Frequency, how much it is? It is 10 only. Whatever we have took here only we will be taking, and then we are going to multiply it with 10. So you do the calculation, how much you are getting. 10 plus, so let us do the calculation like this. 18 plus 10 plus 18 minus 8, how much it is? It is 10. Okay, 10 by 10 multiply by 10. Let us do now. 10 plus 10 divided by 10 into 10. How much we got? We got 20. So here our median is 20. Okay, we got Q1, we got median, and we got Q3. Yes or no? So now let us substitute all the values into the formula. Okay, so let us just calculate Bowley's coefficient of skewness. I'm writing in short form, but you have to write it fully. Okay, what is the formula? Formula is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2MD by Q3 minus Q1. So this is the formula. We will be substituting all the values into this formula. Okay, we got Q3. Q3 was 26.36, right? Previously we have calculated. Q1 was 11 and MD was 20. I'm just writing it roughly. You don't write in the answer booklet. You can write these in the working notes if you want. Okay, so let us substitute. Q3 is 26.36 plus 11 minus 2 into MD. How much it is? 20. 2 MD means nothing but 2 into MD. Okay, Q3 how much it is? 26.36 minus Q1. Q1 how much it is? It is 11. Now you perform the calculations on this. Okay, let us see. 26.36 plus 11, how much it is? It is 37.36 minus 2 into 20, how much it will be? 2 into 20, it will be 40, right? So 40. Next, 26.36 minus 11, how much it is? It is 15.36. So let us do the calculation again. 37.36 minus 40 divided by 15.36. How much we got? We got 0.17. It is minus. It is in negative. You can see here in the calculator, it is in negative 0.17, but it is in negative. Minus is given, minus 0.17. Minus 0.17. See, we got the answer in negative. Yes or no? So we are having few rules on this skewness. Let me show you what are that rules. See, if the skewness is 0, if it comes equals to the 0, then we have to write, then this shows the distribution is in symmetrical. You can see here, you can write this, that this distribution is in symmetrical. But if it is less than 0, you have to write, then this shows that distribution is negatively skewed. If it shows greater than 0, then you have to write that the distribution is positively skewed. So our is less than 0, right? It is in the negative. So if it is in the negative, less than 0, we have to write this shows the distribution is negatively skewed. We will be writing the same thing. See, then this distribution shows, or this skewness shows, this distribution shows negatively skewed. Okay, so done. We are done with the solution. So you have to just find Q3. You should remember the formulas. Q1, you have to remember the formulas, median formula. If you find these, you can easily substitute all the values into this, and you can easily find Bowley's coefficient of skewness. If you are having any doubts, let me know in the comment section. For notes of all the subjects, text me on my Instagram. So see you all in the next video. Bye bye.